Hi guys, hope you're doing great. Yet another review by Memo. This one is going to be Inle. I haven't smelled this one before, so it's going to be a blind, basically the first time ever I'm smelling it. Let's just spray it and see. Two nice sprays. Wow, this is bubblegummy, peachy, very peachy. You initially get that, besides the peach, the freshness, it smelled like one of those toilet sanitizing sprays. Right after you took a big giant dump, you sprayed it around. Sadly, that's what happens when you put a lot of jasmine inside of scents. Yeah, the initial thought, the initial thing you get is it smells like one of those fresheners. And if I wanted one of those fresheners, I would go and pay $3.99 and I would get a whole box of them. But anyway, let's see what happens. Initially it smelled nice, really peachy, but then the jasmine hit me. Once the jasmine hit me, it reminded me of those toilet cleaners, toilet sprays. Pretty sad actually, because I was very hyped up because of the first sniff. It was very peachy, airy, fresh, but then the jasmine hit me. Okay, let's see what's happening. The jasmine is a little bit more toning down. Maybe it was just the first spray, that's it. The jasmine is going lower. It becomes a little bit more airy, citrusy. It's pretty citrusy right now. Citrusy, jasmine-y. You get this osmanthus flower, definitely there. Overall a nice scent. Right now for the initial review, guys, because it's my first time smelling this scent, Inle smells very feminine for women, and yes, the jasmine disappears. It becomes a little bit more of a background player. So that's really good, guys, or else it was going to be very disappointing if the jasmine was going to be here the whole time. Really, really nice. Unique. I wouldn't say it's unique. I would say it is a good scent overall. 7.5 out of 10 for sure. Only for women. It does remind me a little bit, just a little bit, of Maison Francis Urgence Amiris, because it shares a little bit of that fruitier note. It shares a little bit of that citrusy effect that they share. It's not like Aqua Celestia by MFK, but it has a little bit of citrusy effects in the background. It's a good scent. 7.5 out of 10. Would I recommend women to buy this one? I would say no. Do not buy this one, because you can get a lot of better perfumes for the money you are willing to spend, guys. So do not even sample it. Do not even test this one out. I would say if you're in the store, alright, just test it one out and you will see that this is just a good scent overall. It's not going to be very special. And it's not an attention-grabbing scent. Could be worn in an office, could be worn at house, an interior scent, for example. Pretty good. I have not much to say about this scent because it's also pretty two-dimensional, I must say. It's not very multifaceted. It does not have many things to say about it other than I smell the peachiness, the jasmine, the citruses, the white musks in the background. But that's it actually. It doesn't do much more than that to me. I can see some women loving this one. Go ahead and buy it, guys. Definitely. But I would say for the money you are paying, I would avoid this scent. Definitely. Is it a good scent? Yes, it's a good scent. But is it worth the money? I would say no. So 7.5 out of 10, which is me being pretty generous, guys. There are other stuff that are better than this. Inle by Memo. Hope you guys enjoyed the review, guys. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and sub to the channel. Ciao, ciao.